eggplant potato rice casserole, or garlic aubergine potato rice casserole, or garlic eggplant potato rice bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the eggplant recipes and one of the most delicious of the eggplant casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the potato casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice bowl recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the aubergine recipes. We're going to make garlic eggplant potato rice casserole. Around 100 grams of potato peeled and cut into pieces. Around 150 to 200 grams of green and purple eggplant or aubergine cut into pieces. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Salt. You can saute. Garlic sauce. Put in the garlic piece. Sauce the garlic piece. ginger, put in salt to taste, salt, salt thoroughly, keep on salting. Thoroughly salt and mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Salt thoroughly. Now put in half a spoon of chili powder, coriander powder, put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder, salt, put in the powder in piece, salt thoroughly. put in the potato pieces. Salt, already salt, put in 2 cups of water, washed and soaked rice, mix, and let this mixture cook for 20 minutes in the casserole. Now the garlic, eggplant, potato rice casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Garlic, eggplant, potato rice casserole, or garlic aubergine potato rice casserole, or garlic eggplant potato rice bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the eggplant recipes and one of the most unique of the eggplant casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice bowl recipes and one of the most different of the rice casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.